Hello guys, class 12th, chapter number 4. Now we discuss to sort out the questionnaire. Video number 7th, reproductive health. Chapter number 4, reproductive health. इसमें सबसे पहले लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन सेक्शन ए. Kindly be noted. Write down the significance of reproductive health in a society. Second है suggest some aspects of reproductive health which need to be given special attention in present scenario. Question number 3. What are suggested reasons for population explosion? Next, question number 4. Write some method to assist infertile to have children. Next, question number 5. What are the measures one has to prevent from contracting STDs? Next, question number 6. Do you think that reproductive health in our country has improved in the past 50 years? If yes, mention some such areas of improvement. Short section B. You can give the answer 2 or 3 sentences. Question number 1. Is sex education necessary in schools? Why? Second question है why the use of contraceptives taken? Give reasons. Question number 3. Removal of gonads cannot be considered as a contraceptive option. Why? Question number 4. What is amniocentesis? Is this band necessarily? Comment please on it. Question number 6. Write short notes on STDs, lactational amenorrhea. Next है IUDs और लास्ट D है MTP. Question number 7. What is induced abortion? Section C. State true false with explanation. Complete lactation could help as a natural method of contraception. ब्रैकेट में ट्रू और फॉल्स. सेकंड स्टेटमेंट है abortions could happen spontaneously. True or false. Third, infertility is defined as the inability to produce a viable offspring and is always due to abnormalities या defects in the female partner. It is true or false. Next, fourth statement है creating awareness about sex related aspects is an effective method to improve reproductive health of the people. It's a statement true or false. Now let's be followed for the section D. Correct the following statements. Statements को सही करना है. 1. Surgical methods of contraception prevent gamete formation. Second है all sexually transmitted diseases are completely curable. Third है oral pills are very popular contraceptives among the rural women. Fourth है in ET techniques embryos are always transferring to you, Trish. Now we would again welcome to end this chapter, and I hope you will sort out these questions with the help of content of the chapter and your teachers. Now chapter 4th is complete. Let's try to solve it.